What's up, everyone? Welcome back to back to my channel. Today I'm gonna eat taquitos. No me and like carne asada. Okay, let's get started. No hay limón. Oh my god, so good. Yeah, boy. So good. You guys knew what I was eating. Well, yeah, I should tell you, huh? I'm eating. I'm eating tinga. All you Mexicans know. And then and then arroz. And then I have my pieces of what's it called? Oh god. Wait, what's this called? This piece kind of. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I'm really dumb. I'm so sorry. I was reading the text that just popped out in my screen. It's like I'm in a sport. I joined golf, guys, and I have to do this paperwork online called the ASI. ASI. No, ATI. No, ATS. Sorry. Too many. My teacher said if you can't log in, just put new, and then just like a part. There's a part where it's asking you for the receipt of the payment because you have to pay money for sports, and I don't have it. So he said put N/A. So I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. This video might be like, it won't be that long. So I don't have enough space. But it's good. Oh my god, it's so good. So good. You know what it is? It's so good. It's so good. My, oh, I started school and it's so boring. Oh, my geometry teacher, I'm sorry. My geometry teacher was giving me like a bunch of homework. mucho homework. I don't know what I'm gonna call this title. What should I call it? Mukbang eating tacos. Homemade. It's so good. Last one. I eat fast. That's why I'm perfect for this. That's why I'm perfect to be a mukbanger. A mukbanger? I don't know what to call it. I don't even know the difference. Does it matter? No. It doesn't matter to me, whatever it's called. As long as I eat. Don't get me wrong, I am not. No, I am. I am a fatty. I was gonna lie to y'all, be saying, no, I'm not a fatty. Yes, I am. A big fat one. It's like, I lost weight. Ah, this is kind of burnt. Burnt chicken nugget. That's what I am. I love myself. Even though I look like a burnt chicken nugget, I still love myself. Thank you, slave. Just kidding. My sister was like, hey, kill me. That kid. Give me some of this soda. Yeah. It's currently, it's Monday. Wait, no, it's not. It's Sunday. I'm gonna check. Oh, sorry. I'm checking the time. Oh, it's 3. Sorry about my hand. I was checking the time. You know, it's hard being a teenager. Everyone thinks it's easy. But it's really not. Everyone counts on you for being some stuff. So, okay. I am. Oh, I'm done. And no, as you can see, I'm done. Oh, what's in my cup? Sorry, I'm drinking water now. Oh my god. I told you guys this is like a short little video. I'm gonna be doing little short videos now. So they're not gonna be that long. Again, I don't have that space in my phone. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good day, and I hope. Wait, I think I have something in my teeth. I have braces, so I probably do. Just don't mind it. Don't, because I'll be so self-conscious of that. Yeah, I'm not gonna check on camera, so I'm not gonna do that. But thanks for watching. Hope you all have a good day. Yeet yeet. See you all later. Bye.